So your exam's tomorrow. What should you be doing right now? Whether it's the night before or the morning of, I'll break down the exact strategies which top students use to stay calm, focused, and ready to succeed. So it's the night before. If you've been following the tips in all my other videos, you should be ready for your exam. The worst mistake the night before is cramming your revision. Don't just read all of your notes. This won't help you. Instead, use active recall. Short sessions will be way more effective than just reading all of your notes. You might not cover all of the information, but what you do cover, you'll remember very well. Remember though, the content is only half the battle. The other half is your exam technique. So, just look at a past paper, remind yourself of the questions which are going to come up, and your strategy going in. Understanding how to structure some of your answers and how to spend your time will help you a lot when you're in the exam. Prepare everything which you need for the exam the night before. I'm talking about pens, pencils, calculators, anything which you will need for the exam. That way you won't be panicking in the morning or miss anything. The most important thing is sticking to your sleep routine. Get at least 8 hours so that you are fresh for your exam. Now for the morning of. Eat proper breakfast. Don't skip it, you'll need food and energy for your exam. Have something which will give you a lot of energy, like toast or cereal. But don't have caffeine. You don't want to have a caffeine crash during your exam. Make sure to leave your house on time. You don't want to be rushing on your way there, and you don't want to miss the start of the exam. They might not give you extra time. Now, right before you actually go into the exam, you might have maybe 15 minutes. Don't spend this time going through all of your notes. Instead, use flashcards if you have them, and just go over some notes briefly. Now, before you actually start the exam, this can be quite effective if you just take a deep breath all the way in. This will calm you down. That way, you won't rush straight into the questions. Make sure to read each question carefully. Take your time doing this. You don't want to misread the question and answer something else. Manage your time effectively. For each question, you should be thinking whether you're on track to finish the exam on time. Ideally, you want to have a bit of time left over so you can check all of your answers. Checking your answers will help you avoid any silly mistakes and make sure you pick up all the simple marks. If you find a question which you find more difficult and can't answer, skip it out and go back to it if you have time. Don't let one question ruin your entire paper. The most important thing though is to stay positive and trust your preparation. You're ready for the exam. Believe that you can get that 9 or that top grade, and you will. So stay confident. Follow these tips and you're sure to smash your exams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you never miss a tip. Good luck with your studies, and remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching.